in C programming, multi-dimension array already I have shown you, which is store the element in a multiple row and multiple column. So that is the work of your multi-dimension array. So now we go for it one by one. So in previous class I have show that picture 1 1 1 0 2 1. Okay, so similar way in that part your multi-dimension array is working. Clear? So now I show the program
Yeah.
how it is actually working. Yes. See that it is the way of declaration of a multi-dimension array of integer type. So let me show you. Okay, so here I define here 2 row and 3 column 1 3 0 -5 -1 5 9. Then here also I am passing intc. It is a blank, means we are not passing anything, but we are passing a 3 column. So first is representation for column row, second is representation for a column. That is the work of your multi-dimension array. Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
The next we move to is a three-way for defining multi-dimension array. Now I am showing you the example. how it is actually working. For to retrieve the multi-dimension array, we're using nested for loop within the another for loop. Okay, so it is taking little bit slow. It is an example of two-dimension array or multi-dimension array. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Just give me 1 minute. Take a time to open. File new project.
Hello?
Yes, just a minute.
Okay, sure. I'll wait.
Take a time to open. Okay, check here. Here we define an array, int array, 4 row and 3 column. Okay, if I segregate it, is having 4 row and 3 column. It is 1 column, it is 2 column, it is 3 column. So after storing the element in an array, now you have to retrieve the value from an array. How you have to get the value from an array? We have to use the enhanced for loop. int I equals to 0, 0 less than 4, condition is true. If condition is true, it is coming to the inner loop. J is equals to 0, 0 is less than 3, condition is true. So now it is printing you I0, J0, I0, J0. The position is this one. It is 1. Okay, it is a I0, J0 position. So I am showing you in a paper. I am sending you the structure. Then you can understand it. Just give me 1 minute. So in the paper I draw it. You can understand it in which place you have to put your element so that you easily understand it. Here actually we are defining the 4 row and 3 column. Okay, so 4 row and 3 column that we have defined. So it is just like the structure. If you check, I have just sent it. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2. So check your WhatsApp. Okay, watch it. Hello, see, I'm audible. Hello, Sri.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm here.
So see that here we define a program 4 row. It is a row and 3 column. So that I have drawn in a figure. So it is a 4 row. One row, it is as you know that array is represented with array index number is starting from 0. So row wise it is starting from 0, 1, 2 and 3. So how many row is present? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 row are present and 3 column, 1, 2, 3. So 4 row and 3 column has present here. Okay.
Okay.
Now in this row, in this figure, we have to store the element. How you have to store the element? So in a program we define 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. So again, I will show you how the element are display you. That is 1, 2, 3,
Mm-hmm.
2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Now I define the position. So position I define in a bracket. It is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. There is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 0, 3 1 then 3 2.
Mhm.
The position that I have defined here, I'll again send the photo that you can understand it how we have to store the element.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I received it.
You have received, then I open it through the WhatsApp,
Mhm.
download it. See that in bracket what I have mentioned here, it is a position, it is a 0 0 position.
Okay.
In 0 0 position I am storing a value 1. In 0 1 position I am storing a value 2. 0 means 0 row 2 column, it is a column. 0 row 2 column I have stored the value 3. Similar way in 1 0, okay, 1 row 0 column I have stored 2. 1 row 1 column I have stored 3. 1
Okay.
row 2 column I have stored 4. 2 row 0 column I have stored 3. 2 row 1 column storing 4. 2 row 2 column storing 5. Similar way 3 row 0 column 4. 3 row 1 column 5. 3 row
Mhm.
2 column is 6. So these are the element I have stored here. Now how I retrieve it? So after storing the element, then how to retrieve the value?
What does retrieve mean?
Retrieve means to get the value. We are storing the structure. Now to get the value. Okay, like these are the things are present in a shop. How you purchase it. Okay, so it is stored in a structure. Then if suppose anybody asking you that you have to get this value 3, then how you have to get it? So I will show you, compare you with the program. Now check int I equals to 0, j is equals to 0, int array 4 row and 3 column. It is a 4 row and 3 column is present. In first row it is store 1 2 3. In second row it is store 2 3 4. In third row it is store 4 5 6. So these are the what array element that we have stored here. Now how you have to get the value? For int, for I is equals to 0, okay, I value is 0, 0 less than 4, condition true or false?
Yes, true.
True. If it is true, then it comes to the inner loop. It is a inner loop.
Mhm.
In inner loop, j is 0. Okay. Then 0 is less than 3.
Uh,
True or false?
yes, true.
True. Now tell me, I value is 0, j value is 0. RA I is 0, j is 0. So I is 0, j is 0. So what is the value? Is there?
I'm not sure.
In this picture, you have to see that I have mentioned here. Na? I value is 0, j value is 0. So which value has stored?
Oh, 1 second. I'm
I
not
value j, I 0, j 0. So which one is stored?
I and J.
Here we have mentioned na, I is 0, 0 less than 4. Condition is true. I value
Yeah.
is 0. Then when condition is true, then it is coming to the inner loop. In inner loop, j is also 0. 0 is less than 3. Condition is true. The I 0, j 0. I 0, j 0. Which one is stored?
I don't know. I don't understand.
In 0, 0 position, which value is present? In this block,
I
0, 0 position, which value is present? 1. See that.
Oh, you mean that one? Okay.
Similar way, j value increment to 1. I value is still 0. 1 is less than 3. Condition is true or not?
True. I'm sorry. No, not true.
1 is lost. 1 is not less than 3.
Actually, yes, true.
It is true. So I value is 0. J value is 1. I value 0. J value is 1. So which value has stored?
I'm not sure.
See the picture. I
Wait,
0, J 1. Which one has stored?
2.
2. So it is printing you 2 here. Then j value is increment to 2. 2 is less than 3. Condition is true. Then
Mm-hmm.
I0, J2. I0, J2. Which value has stored?
3.
That is 3 has stored. Okay. Similar
Okay.
way, j value is incremented to 3. 3 is less than 3.
No.
No, condition as false. When condition is false, it is going to the outer loop. In outer loop, earlier I value is 0. Now it is increment to 1. So 1 is less than 4. 1 is less than 4.
Yes.
Yes,
True.
true.
Yes. True.
Yes. So I value is now 1. So I have written here. Then you can understand. I is 1. Now
Sorry. What?
j is 0. 0 is less than 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now j value is 0. Now in which position we are? We are in the position is, that is 1 and 0. So in 1 0 position, 1 for I, 0 for j. In 1 0 position, which value has stored?
2.
Okay, good. It is 2 are stored. Then now j value is increment to 1, 0 to 1. So 1 is less than 3. Condition true or not?
True.
True. So now j is 1. Now I value is still 1. J value is last one. It is becomes 1. So in 1 and 1 position, which value has stored?
3.
3. Good. Now j is earlier 1. Now j becomes increment. J plus plus. J is increment to 2. So 2 is less than 3. Condition true or false?
J is less than 3. True.
True. Now, when true, J value is 2 here. Now, I is still 1. I1, J2. I1, J2. Which value has stored? In 1 and 2 position, which value is present?
Uh, 4.
Tell me again.
4.
Yes, 4. So it is giving you the value 4 or printing you the value 4. Now J value is increment to 3. 3 is less than 3.
Yes. No.
No. Condition has false. When condition has false, then it is going to the outer loop. In outer loop, I value is previously 1. Now I becomes 2. So 2 is less than 4.
2 is less than 4. Yes.
Yes, 2 is less than 4. Now J is 0. 2 is less than 4. J is 0. 0 is less than 3. 0 is less than 3 or not? I value is true 2. J is 0. 0 less than 3 or not?
Uh,
True or false?
I'm not sure.
J value is 0. 0 is less than 3 or not?
It's less than 3. It's less.
It is less. So now it is giving you here 0. J is 0. Now position is what now? It is I value is 2. Now J value is 0. Now tell me in 2 0 position which value is present?
I don't quite understand what you
In
mean.
2 and 0 position. 2 0. See the figure. See the figure. In 2 0 position which value is present?
3.
3. Good. Now J value is increment to 0 to 1. 1 is less than 3. Condition is true. 1 is less than 3. When 1 is less than 3, then J becomes 1. I value is still 2. Now 2, then 1 position. So in 2, 1 position, which value is present? In 2 and 1 position, see the figure. In 2 and 1 position, which value is present?
I'm not sure. Wait. Wait. You mean 4?
Which one?
4.
Yes, 4. Next, J value is increment to 2. So 2 is less than 3. Yes or no? 2 is less than 3 or not?
Yes, it is.
So now J is 2 here. I value is still 2. So I2, J2. So tell me in 2 position which value has stored?
In 2 position.
Which value is present?
5.
Yes, it is 5 has stored. Now after display the value, j is increment to 3. So 3 is less than 3.
No.
So 3 is not less than 3. Then again it is going to the outer loop. In outer loop, I value is now, previously it is 2, now it is increment to 3. So 3 is less than 4.
No. Yes, yes.
3 is less than 4. Then when 3 is less than 4, it is going to the inner part. Now I becomes here 3. So I is 3. Now it comes to the inner loop. J is 0. 0 is less than 3.
Um, yes.
Okay, so 0 is less than 3. Now j value is 0. Now here position is 3 and here it is 0. So in 3 and 0 position, which value is present?
5.
Okay, it is
4.
4. It is to the 4. Then again j value is previously 0. Now j value is increment to 1. 1 is less than 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
1 is less than 3. Then now j value is 1 here. I value is still 3. So now j is 1. Now tell me in 3 and 1 position, which value is present?
Okay.
3 and 1 position, which value is present?
Uh,
See the picture I have opened.
3 and 1, 5.
Yes, 3 and 1 position is 5. Now j value is increment to 2. J plus plus it is increment to 2. 2 is less than 3. Condition is true. So in J2 position, I is still 3. So in 3 and 2, which value are stored?
In 3 and 2,
Yes,
6.
6. So it is printing you 6. Now 3 is j value is increment to 2 to 3. 3 is less than 3. Condition has false. Okay. So when condition is false, then it is going to the outer loop. In outer loop, I value is 3. Now 3 is increment to 4. 4 is less than 4. Condition is 4 is less than 4. Condition is false. When condition is false, your looping is stopped. Then you have retrieved all the elements. Clear?
Yes, clear. Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes, yes.
I'll be right back in 1 minute. Can you please
Okay,
excuse me?
okay, okay.
Hello? I'm back. Sorry.
Yes. Now we go for the matrix addition. Means you have to addition. Matrix addition means you have to define two multi-dimension array and you add it. So that is called as the matrix addition. Okay, so now we go for it. Matrix addition example.
Mhm.
The sum of two matrices.
Mhm. Mhm.
So how it is working, I show you.
Mhm.
Okay, enter the one value, first matrix. Mm, enter the value 0, 1 position is 10. Enter second value 0, 2 position 20. Enter second row value is suppose 30. Second row value is 40. Okay. It is a one row value I have passed in the B. Sorry, here also you have to change. Just 1 minute. So here I have to change. In 0, 1 position, we store 10. In 0, 2 means second row position, passing 20. 1, 1 position 30. 1, 2 position is 40. Similar way, in the 0, in the enter B position means another array. It is one array, another array is suppose 50. Then in second position is 60. Then 70. Then 80. Now it is added the number. See there. Oh, it is not added. Result. Oh, int. Okay, again I run it. So in 0, 1 position, I have stored 10. In 0, 2 position, 20. In 1, 1 position, in second row, it is a 0 row and 0, 0, 0, 1. There is some confusion. Just a minute. I will change some value.
Mhm.
In first position, I have pressed 10. Second position, 20. Then in 1, 0, 30. 1, 1 is 40. Similar way, in the second array, I have passed 50. Then passing 60. Then 70. Then 80. Now see that how it is added. 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10 is 60. Then 60 plus 20 is 80. 70 plus 30 is 100. 80 plus 40 is 120. Okay, so two matrices are added. Clear?
Yes, clear.
So here we are insert the record. Then now for displaying the record, we have to write some value. Again, I modify it and show the result. Then it is easily understand by you. Enter the value in a matrix. In 0, 0 position, we have passed 10. 0, 1 position 20. 1, 0 position 30. 1, 1 position is 40. Enter the our second array element. This 50, 60, then 70, then 80. Now check here, it is printing you the element of array 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, and in the second element I will again write some line here, then it is printf /n 0, 0, 10, 0 to 20, it is now 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. See there. It is the array element 1, it is the array element 2, first array, second array. Then it is added 10 plus 50 is 60, 30 plus 70 is 100, 20 plus 60, 20 plus 60 is 80, 40 plus 80 is 120. Okay, understood? These are the two array, and we're adding the two array and so in a different result. Clear?
Mm-hmm. Yes, clear.
Then I explain it how it is working. It's first array. Now check, it is a first array, it is a second array. Now I will start from this. That is showing you here I have defined the two array. In two integer array A and B. So this array value is added and stored in the result. Okay, so result is 2 and 2. Okay, so 2 row and 2 column. Now it is asking you enter the element of the first array. I is 0, 0 less than 2. Condition true or false? Tell me. 0 is less than 2 or not? 0, 0 is less than 2. Then if
Yes, true.
condition is
True.
true, then it is coming to the inner loop. J is 0, 0 is less than 2, condition is true. Okay. Then
Okay.
it is asking you enter a value. I value is 0, j value is 0. I value is 0, j value is 0. So 0 0. It is passing you 0 0. Then we are passing 10. When you are passing 10, that value is inserted in which part? In array 0 0 part. Now j value is increment to 1. 1 is less than 2. Condition is true. I value is 0 here. So 0 and 1. 0 and 1 we have store 20. So it is a 0 then 1 position. 20 has stored here. Then j value is increment to 2. 2 is less than 2. Condition is false. 2 is not less than 2. So when condition becomes false, then it is going to the outer loop. In outer loop, I value is increment to 1. 1 is less than 2. Condition is true. 1 is less than 2. Then it is coming to the inner loop. J value is 0. 0 is less than 2. Condition is true. 0 is less than 2. So I1 J0 we are passing I1 J0 one row first column we are passing 30. J value is increment to 1. 1 is less than 2. Condition is true. Then I1 J1 we are passing 40 here. So 30 and 40 that we have initialized. Then in the second array, so first array is over. J value is increment to 2. 2 is less than 2. Condition is false. It is going to the outer loop. In outer loop, I value is 1. Now I it becomes 2. 2 less than 2. Condition is false. The similar way, it is asking you enter the second matrix number. Okay, so after storing the second matrix number, then we are passing here 50, 60, 70, and 80. Okay, then it is display all the value. Then now here it is added the number. How it is added? Int I equals to 0. 0 is less than 2. Condition is true. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I'll back, then I'll show you. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yes. Now check here. Now we added the number. So check here. It is the result we have. Now sum of the matrix. I is 0. 0 is less than 2. Condition is true. Now j is 0. 0 less than 2. Condition is true. Then in result we are storing what? So here see that. Result 0. 0 0. In 0 0 position we are adding a value. I a 0 j 0. A 0 j 0 means 10. B 0 B j is 0. So position is 50. So 10 plus 50 it is giving you 60. Then again j value is increment to 1. 1 is less than 2. Condition is true. So here our I value is 0. J value is now 1. J value is now 1. Okay. So result 0 J1 0 1 A 0 J1 A 0 J1 position is this one J1 A is 0 J is 1 20. Then B is 0 J is 1 is 60. So 20 plus 60 it is giving you 80. Then now what happened? J value is increment to 2. So 2 is less than 2. Condition as false. Then it is going to the outer loop. In outer loop, I value is increment to 1. Okay. 1 is less than 2. Condition is true. 1 is less than 2. Then it is coming to the inner loop. In inner loop, J is 0. 0 is less than 2. Condition is true. So I1 I1, then J is 0. I1 J 0 position. So I value is 1, J value is 0. Now here result 1 position, result 0 position means this row it will come. Okay. So 0, then 1 position. Then here I value is 1, J value is 0. Means 30 plus B value is 1, J value is 0. Means 70. 30 plus 70 is 100. Okay. Is it clear to you? Now again I explain.
I just clear.
Okay. Now similar way, j value is increment to 1. 1 is less than 2. Condition is true. Now I value is still 1. So I1 J1. I1 J1 position means result 1 J1. Then A1 J1. A1 J1 position is 0 1. It is 40. Then 40 here it is becomes what 80. 40 plus 80 is 120. Now j value is increment to 1 to 2. Condition is has false. Then it is going to the outer loop. In outer loop I value is again increment to 2. So 2 is less than 2. So 2 is less than 2. Condition is false. When condition is false, your looping is stop here. So after last we get the matrix addition. So it is added all the numbers. Clear? Then
No, no.
it is a multi-dimension array example.
Wait, what does multi-dimension mean? I forgot everything.
Multi-dimension means you have see that it is a array where in a single row you have stored multiple element. Single row means multi-dimension array. I will show you the figure, then you understand it. See that it is a single dimension array where the element are stored in a single row. It is a zero position. First index position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Okay.
And in multi-dimension array is what? It is having a multiple row and multiple column.
Okay.
It is a multi-dimension array. The element are stored in a multiple row and multiple column. 1, 2, 3, multiple row, and if you see that multiple column is also present. Okay,
Yeah.
that
Okay.
it is a multi-dimension array. Okay,
Okay.
so it is a example of your array matrix. Okay. So in the next class we go for other part function. Okay. So, bye.
Bye.